Hey everyone, Matt from Workshop Tinkers here. Well, time for another Hackerbox. I missed last month's. Well, I didn't miss it. I got it. I opened it. I recorded it. Never posted because I've been busy just a little bit. Anyways, I did get it. I did enjoy it. I've memorized the LEDs, but anyways, time for this month's. And preemptively, if anything in this thing is broken, it's not the fault of Hackerbox, but my mailbox got hit this afternoon. Thankfully, the lady was kind enough this time to actually stop and let me know that someone hit my mailbox and offer to pay for it and all that kind of stuff. Better than the last 3 times, which I just came home to a busted up mailbox, which was freaking fantastic. Alrighty. Aww, something tells me this is going to be broken from the impact, which sucks. So that'd be cool. Jumpers. We got a... Oh good, it's not busted because it's discrete components. Ethernet tap. Ooh, that's a new one. This is really good for me because I'm a network engineer, so I know my networking. I'm going to guess this is a loopback? No, crossover? Does not say. I'm going to guess it's a crossover. Let's see. Wait a second. No, this is a loopback. See? White, orange, orange, white, green. No. Yeah, white, green, green, white, orange, orange, white, green, green. This is not an Ethernet crossover. Is it? No, it is. It is. No, it's not. One, 2, 3, and 6. This is going to 1 to 5, 2 to 6, 3 to 7, 4 to 8. Hopefully something in here tells me. Ethernet jack for a board. This is some Arduino micro mini. I really wish these have it on here. Oh, Nano V3 Arduino microcontroller. If I got lucky. Okay, so this is Hackerbox number 31, Ether. And as I said, I'm very interested in this because I'm a network engineer. So I do Cisco certified. Number of certifications. Not going to go into any more than that. USB. Ooh. Wi-Fi storage. So this is just Wi-Fi that you plug. So you got your WAN, your LAN. So this is a tap connection? Wireless router and NAS, so it can provide wireless. Oh, here it is. Access point and repeater. Not what I was thinking. I was thinking network attached storage. Not. Well, it's probably both, really. And, instructions. There. What? Oh, 3G, 4G modem, USB modem had me very confused. Wi-Fi NAS. So, in other words, this is not a network attached storage. No. I'll have to play with this. I might be able to make something out of this. That's very naughty. OpenWRT, I do have a number of devices that run that. Come on, card, give me card. Okay, what do we got here? Well, a quick and dirty punch down guide. White, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, brown. That's B, that's the standard. A to make crossovers, though older punch cables and stuff will still use this. Doesn't matter as long as both are the same. Bunch of information I know. Okay, Ethernet controller. That's interesting. Anyways, a lot of stuff this time. I'm going to have to play with this. For some reason, what I think of an as and what other people think of an as is different. Maybe I'm just old. Anyways, thanks everyone so much for watching, and Hackerbox, thumbs up for me. Anyways, thanks. Keep tinkering.